Let's talk about gamification. Hi, I'm Michael from LearnDash. And no, we're not talking about video games in this video, but stay tuned as we intend to level you up with your online course on this audacious quest. In the world of online courses, engagement is critical for success. And one of the major challenges for any online course creator is to maintain the engagement for their enrolled students and members. Gamification, in essence, is the art of incorporating game-like elements into a non-game context, such as online courses. In LearnDash, achievements are a fantastic way to recognize and reward your learners' progress and efforts throughout your course. Let's take a look at how we can start using the LearnDash Achievements add-on to gamify your course. Okay, so we're going to head over to LearnDash LMS within the WordPress backend dashboard, and we're going to navigate down to add-ons. This is where all your add-ons will be located. You're going to look for the LearnDash Achievements add-on. It should be the first on top at the time of this recording. And then you're going to click on Install. Once the add-on is installed, you're going to click on this plug icon here, and that's going to activate your add-on. Okay, great. Now that we have our Achievements add-on installed, I'm going to give it a quick refresh. And there we go. Now we have the Achievements add-on in our LearnDash side panel. I'm going to click on Achievements. And if you're adding your first achievement, you have the option of clicking Add New in the top right-hand corner. All right, for my first achievement, I'd like to create an achievement to award my users for logging in. So I'm going to give it a title. Okay, so let's go ahead and provide a message. This message is what your user will see once they've been awarded the achievement. I want to welcome my users back, so I'm going to type in my message. So now that I have my title and message, I'm going to navigate down to the details area where I can now associate this achievement with a trigger. If you look in our documentation and also on this page, you'll be able to see all of the available triggers for WordPress and LearnDash. WordPress triggers have to do with triggers that associate with actions taken in the WordPress ecosystem, such as user registration, a user logs in, adds a post, adds a comment, visits a post, or a post gets visited. We also have some LearnDash triggers like a user enrolls in a group, completes a course, a lesson, a topic, and also if they upload an assignment. So you can choose from any of these options to be able to assign an achievement with any of these triggers. For this particular achievement, I'm going to go ahead and click on User Logs In, and then I'm going to award my user 10 points. The occurrences have to do with the number of times that this achievement can be awarded to a user. You can enter 0 for unlimited occurrences, which I'm going to do here, but you can also limit it to any number that you see fit. So now I'm going to select an image that will be associated with this achievement. You can choose from our already designed and selected badges. So I'm going to select this one, but you can also choose to upload from your media files. I'm going to click on Publish. And there we have it. My achievement is published. Quickly, I'm going to add 2 other achievements, one for when a course is completed and one for when a lesson is completed. I want to make mention of what happens when you choose a LearnDash trigger, like, for example, a user completes a course. So you'll notice that when an option like a user completes a course from the LearnDash trigger is selected, we have more available fields. If I click on the Select Course option, I can choose from any number of the courses that I want to award this achievement for, or I can choose all courses. I can also do so for groups, but I'm not going to do that in this instance. I'm now going to enter my points and leave occurrences as 0, and then I'm going to go ahead, select my image, and hit Publish. Okay, so now that we have our achievements, let's navigate to the settings area. So first we have our pop-up settings. LearnDash does have a pop-up that displays whenever an achievement is awarded. You can set the number of seconds before the pop-up fades away. You can enter 0 manually to hide the pop-up if you don't wish to display it at all. You can change the background color to suit your styling, and you can also choose the text color as well. If you prefer to use an RTL layout, you can do so by toggling this option. You can also change the badge size as well as the tooltip text font size if you wish by entering a number into this field right here. Let's navigate over to the shortcodes. Now, shortcodes have to do with achievements, leaderboards, as well as displaying the achievements for that particular user. You can display these shortcodes on any page builder once they have the option to use an HTML or a shortcode widget or element. All right, we'll show you how to do so in just a second. But first, let's go ahead and display how we're going to be able to use the pop-up for the LearnDash achievements. So as you can see, once our student has logged in, we have this pop-up that displays right here for our user to see. And it looks fantastic if I do say so myself. After completing the lesson, you'll also see that we are awarded the 50 points for completing the lesson. After completing the course, you'll see that we are awarded points for completing this course. Now let's take a look at the achievement shortcodes. You can use the achievement shortcodes in any page builder once it allows shortcodes and displays HTML. For the use case of this video, we're going to be using Elementor. So I'm going to highlight my leaderboard shortcode here, copy it, head over to my design inside of Elementor, and I'm going to add a shortcode widget. I'm going to paste my shortcode in here, and automatically you can see that we have our user board in here. If you'd also like to be able to show the achievements for that user, you can also do so. If we navigate back to the shortcodes, we can copy this over. I'm going to add a new shortcode widget, paste in my shortcode, and as you can see, it displays our achievements right here within our dashboard. And this is a great way to really personalize the dashboard or the achievements for your particular users. You can also use the block system to be able to add achievement leaderboards as well as display the achievements for your user using the Gutenberg blocks. I'm going to click on this plus icon here and type in achievement. And I can add any of these blocks to my page so that they can be displayed. And there you go. We have the leaderboard using the Gutenberg editor. As with any great recipe, finding the perfect balance of ingredients is key to an exceptional dish. We encourage you to experiment, mix up those game elements and discover the ideal blend for your unique course. Your students will thank you for it, trust me. As always, thank you for watching and I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be the first to see our latest tips, tricks, and tutorials. We can't wait to see what you create next.